Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create running text animation for your design on Canva. So here I've already opened a blank design, and in here you can just start by clicking on the plus icon and go to elements and shapes and choose add a rectangle shape like this and make it like this. Okay, you can change the color into your favorite one, but I'm going to just leave it as it is for now. And now click on the plus icon again and go to text and add a heading. Here just write any text that you want. And write it like this. Okay, you can adjust the font and also the font size as you like, but I'm going to just go with this. Then I'm going to make it smaller, the rectangle. Okay, and then after that you can just put the text inside the rectangle and group it. So just select multiple and after that group it like this. And now just copy the text and shape, copy it and put it at the bottom. Like this. And now click on the one of the text, go to Animate, and then here swipe until you find the drift animation, then adjust it like this. You can choose the direction and also you can adjust the intensity and also the direction, and just reapply the animation for all of your text. Okay, so after you apply all of the animation, it will go like this. Then you can just change the rectangle colors, and also you can also reposition it as you like. I'm going to change the color first. Okay, after that you can just adjust it like so. So when you play, it will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.